Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the Feniex Flasher. This flasher is an all-in-one solution and is perfect for connecting any lights that don't have an internal flasher, such as these Nightlight off-road lights that we sell here at Ultra Bright Lights. The flasher has 4 outputs, so you can connect up to 4 lights and they'll flash independently, and I'll show you some of the flash patterns and how those look. In addition to the 4 outputs, you're going to have 3 modes. So you have 3 different modes where you can set a different flash pattern for each mode. So on one mode you can have a steady burning pattern, and another mode you can have a flashing pattern. In addition to that, the flasher works with halogen or LED bulbs, and it works with 12 volts or a ground output. So you can connect these you can connect the output of the flasher to the ground or to the positive 12 volt wire of your light, and if you have a light that can only be ground switching or only positive switching, this flasher will work great for you. Let me power up mode 1 and show you how these look. Basically, on the flasher here, you can have your 4 wires from your 4 outputs. Each one of these wires is connected to a different light. You have your power in from my power source, and then you put positive 12 volts to any one of the modes to activate it. To change the flash pattern, simply take the ground wire and touch it to the pattern/sync change for about 1 to 2 seconds, and you'll see the pattern change. You also have LEDs on here that show you which pattern is on, so it's perfect if you're inside the vehicle trying to set this up. You can look at what pattern is without having to get out. Also, the red light will change to green if it's negative switching, and it'll be red if it's positive switching like I have now, and that's all done intelligently. You don't have to set that up. So here's a second pattern. So notice how this is going to be mode 1, and I'll swap the power to mode 2. You can set a different pattern. Same thing with mode 3. You can set individual patterns on each mode. So this flasher will work with basically any sort of 12 volt light. Each output supports up to 5 amps. These lights here are about a ½ amp, so it's no problem for this flasher. You can even connect something like this small 12 volt marker light. Now I made my marker light flash. So if you have some marker lights around your vehicle, you can connect them up to this flasher, and now they are flashing lights. Set one mode as steady burning for when you're driving, and another mode is flashing for when you want those lights to flash. So that's the Feniex Flasher. It carries a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, and it's made in the USA. If you have any other additional questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.